First time trying seafood boil. I think this is a crawfish. I don't know how to... How do you do this? This literally still has its head on. And the shell. I feel so bad. He probably had a family. Not anymore. Look at the claws. I wonder if they're edible. I don't know if they're edible. Is there any meat in here? Oh! How did I do that? Let's break into this claw. I feel like the claw meat is sweeter. Look at that. Into the sauce. I think you just...